Hello, my name is Miwako. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make whole food plant-based breakfast with oatmeal, smoothie, and fruit salad. The recipe is in the description box below, so let's get started. There's no secret to fruit salad. Just chop up any fruit of your choice. I made it very pretty for you today though. Bring water to boil. Add salt. Oatmeal. Dried cranberries. Medium-low heat. Cook for 5 minutes. Remove from heat. Add almond butter. Close the lid and set aside for 10 minutes. While oatmeal is resting, let's start making mixed berry smoothie. Almonds, frozen banana, mixed berries, blueberries, mixed seeds, amalaki powder, elderberry syrup, water. Blend. Alright, oatmeal is ready. Obviously, you can add anything to oatmeal, but my favorites are banana, nuts, seeds, and blueberries. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you're going to try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you very soon. Bye!